beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is related to doing creative eye makeup. So the thing is, I'm not that particular professional makeup artist, and I just learned from my sister-in-law, and she is just awesome at her work. Yes, she is beautician. So yeah, I don't know what it will be look like, but I will try my best. So before starting this video, if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to it, like and share if you can. And this is my Instagram handle. If you want to follow me there, then go and check it out. Yeah, without more chattering, let's pass into this video.
So at first I am using this Pond's lightweight moisturizer. This is very soft and gel in texture and it feels so free. So it's not like other moisturizer like Nivea. After that I have used the colorbar primer. This has some creamy texture and I have applied it all over my face and then gently apply it. And then I have used my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the only foundation I have. Yeah, and then put it all over your face, in the side and the neck and jawline. And with the help of a beauty blender, blend it so well. Try to give some more time, because the much time you will give, the makeup will be so smooth. After that I am using this Lakme compact for setting my base. You can also use some banana powder or any loose powder, because it sets very well. Then I have used this Maybelline concealer. I took that product under my eyes and in my forehead and in my nose, cupid bow and chin. And then with the help of the same beauty blender, I have blended it. After that I have set my base with the Lakme loose powder. Try to take some more amount because it sets well. Next I am using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, which is my very favorite. At first in the crease line I take some brown shade from this palette. Then blend it slowly. Remove out the excess part of your eyeshadow and take the necessary amount. I did the same process to the other eye, so I am skipping it. And after that I am using this beauty glazed eyeshadow palette. So the thing is, when you try to using your eyeshadow brush to grab some creamy eyeshadow, but then what happened, it does not give its actual pigmentation. In these cases you have to use your fingers and yeah, it's give its actual color tone or pigmentation, you can say, and the work is done. So I have just took a grayish color eyeshadow and put it on my middle of the eyelid. And with the help of a eyeshadow brush, you have to just blend it. After that I have again used my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and I just took some pinkish shimmery shade and I have applied it on my center of the eyelid. by my fingernails because the same problem happened once again. So after that I have used some grayish color in my inner corner. Then with the help of a fluffy brush I have just blended it. So next is the most difficult part to drawing out the lines. Yes, I am drawing it by my sketch eyeliner, and at first I do it wrong because it smudged out, and then I removed it and do it once again. After that I draw the lower line, but it also gone wrong because the lines becoming so thick and it can't controlled by me, so I have to remove it and I do it once again. So the thing is, you have to just practice more and more. You know that practice makes perfect everything, and yeah. Draw the corner dark part, and after that with some black eyeshadow I just smudge it. As you can see that I just overdraw the line again and again, and I thought that it will be alright, but it become worse and totally gone wrong. So I just covered. Actually my sister-in-law helped me a lot to do the things, because as I said, I am not professional. She is professional, she is beautiful at her work, and yeah, she just helped me out a lot to do this thing, I mean this creative eye makeup. Then I took from the Beauty Glaze palette a red or oranges kind of eyeshadow, and I took it by my finger, and after that I smudged it by eyeshadow brush, and after that I took a pinkish color eyeshadow also, and in the same way I just smudged it, and after that I took a yellowish color to just blend it. have just used Srivana Colors palette. I bought this from Flipkart few years back, and I just used the light pink color over my cheeks. I have used the Maybelline highlighter by a fan brush. After that, for lipstick, I have used the Maybelline liquid lipstick 12 hours long stay in the shade Transformer. I like this shade very much. It is so much dark and maroon kind of shade. And yep, you are all done.
Lie awake in bed, turning over every word you said. Never really had a crush like this. Got me running circles for your kiss. So darling, take my hand, you got to understand, I don't wanna just be friends. Come away.